foolish men we are for time to come again? Or do we let our mining and our fishing ground us go? But if we stick together in our motto on that home, so let's hear it for Trelawney, May's army never die. Let's hear it for Trevilick with his engine steaming by. Let's hear it for the farmers and for the fishermen. Let's hear it for the miners who we hope will mine again. Now when you cross the Tamar into this promised land, there's one thing to remember, one thing to understand. And for